Hey veterans, if you're sitting at 90% VA disability right now, there's a very real chance you're missing out on thousands of dollars every single month. And the worst part, most veterans stay stuck there for years, not because they don't qualify, but because they're doing this the wrong way. If you're serious about getting to 100% and not leaving money on the table, please hit subscribe below. I'm Todd Traczyk, West Point grad, combat veteran, and founder of Benefits Beyond Service. I work with a lot of veterans every day who feel stuck at 70, 80, 90% and don't know how to break through. Here's the truth most veterans don't hear. Getting to 100% is not about filing more claims. It's about filing the right claims the right way with a clear strategy. If you don't understand that, you can stay stuck at 90% for years, missing out on money, healthcare, and long-term stability. The biggest unlock to getting to 100% is this: secondary conditions. This is where most veterans leave money on the table because the VA is not going to connect the dots for you. You have to connect the dots. I worked with a veteran once who had been stuck at 90% for years. And quite frankly, he thought he was maxed out. But when we broke it down, he had migraines tied to PTSD, sleep issues, and constant fatigue. None of it, however, was properly connected. Once we built a strategy and documented everything correctly, he reached 100%. Same person, same conditions, completely different outcome. Another veteran had a back condition, but what wasn't being captured was nerve pain, limited mobility, and daily impact. The VA rated what they saw, not what was actually happening. Once we connected everything properly, his rating increased significantly. Here's what you need to understand. Your primary condition, it's just the starting point. What matters is everything that comes from that. PTSD, causing sleep issues, migraines, back pain, nerve damage, mobility issues. If you're not mapping that out, you're leaving money on the table. Most veterans don't get denied because they don't deserve benefits. They get denied or underrated because they don't build their claim strategically. And the VA is not going to fix that for you. If you're stuck below 100%, start asking yourself, what conditions are connected to what I already have? What symptoms haven't I documented? That's where you increase your ratings. If you're serious about doing this the right way, download my free VA Claim Starter Kit below or book a free strategy call with me. And comment 100% if you want help figuring out what you're missing. Because getting to 100% comes down to strategy.